FOSSiBOT F101 Pro, rugged smartphone, carrying MediaTek MT8788 Octa-Core processor. FOSSiBOT F101 Pro supplies you with lightning-fast speeds for gaming, multitasking, and resource-heavy apps with Octa-Core processor, up to 15 GB RAM and latest Android 13 OS. Gaming or multitasks on the F101 Pro becomes more fluent and faster. From quad-core to octa-core, from 4 GB RAM plus 64 GB ROM to 8 GB RAM plus 128 GB ROM. This is not just about changing a chip and increasing storage, but truly improving performance and user experience across the board. While inheriting the classic design of the F101, the F101 Pro Acer's new design, but innovatively incorporated a second screen for multifunction and lower power consumption use. FOSSiBOT F101 Pro allows you to design your own watch display. Explore the fun of different styles of watch on the rear display. FOSSiBOT never stops optimizing the camera effect. F101 Pro comes with Samsung S5K2L8 24MP sensor and a 5MP macro camera for you to take amazing photos and videos. Immerse yourself in the brilliance of our 5.45-inch HD+IPS display. This screen offers stunning clarity and lifelike colors, ensuring every image, video, and app comes to life with remarkable precision. Inherent craftsman spirit, innovate new design. The FOSSiBOT F101 Pro rugged smartphone offers a more elegant appearance as a perfect hand-feeling fuel your adventures with a massive 10,600 mAh battery and 18W fast charging. The F101 Pro is designed to keep you powered up and ensure you stay connected and entertained.